Welcome back, back again. Yes, I'm back. Get your friends. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hello, how are y'all doing? Fine, I hope. If you new, hey boo, and if you oldie, hey boo. How's y'all doing? It is Thursday. I have heard my positive stuff this morning, and I came to talk to you. Don't mind my nails too much. I have a maintenance video coming up right behind this video. Just this quick little video because I've been seeing people commenting, oh, I couldn't spend what you spent on your nails. Well, see, this is my beauty maintenance, and it's not your beauty maintenance. So let's look at the difference. And whether you high maintenance, low maintenance, some maintenance, no maintenance, this is what I do for me. One, I am going to get my nails done. Yes, I am still learning how to do my own nails, but I like to be pampered. So 280, 290, 350, I want it, I'm going to pay for it because I worth it and I deserve it. Let's just understand that. If you are not a extendo girly, a XL girly, then you don't get it. And that's fine. But if you a short nail girly and all that, I get it too. If you are a regular mini petty girly, I get it. But I'm gonna pay for what I want. Two, I pay for pedicures as well. My pedicures may not be what yours is. You may get a basic pedicure where I add on a full set of tips on my toes. I get design. So I might spend 130 to 150 on my feet. Not including the tips. I haven't told y'all what I took them yet. But that's what I choose to do. Now, if you are basic, that's fine. If you are neutral color acrylic, that's fine. If you are gel petty, that's fine. That is your business. That is good for you. Things I do to save me some money is I wax at home now. Y'all don't know that. I just told you, but I wax at home. So if you want to save you some money, you can wax at home near shade, magic powder because I use that too. It's all up to you and your budget. My budget and your budget is different. So let me help you how to work within your budget. Okay. I get eyelash extensions and I did microblade and shade my eyebrows. So I am paying for a touch up. I am paying for some eyelashes. And I'm going to try lip fillers. Now, to y'all, it might be a little bit excessive, and that's okay. But I want it. I like the way I look with it. I'm going to pay for it. Simple. Now, this is what I do for me. My budget and your budget is two different budgets. If you cannot afford what I can afford, let's work within your budget. And I don't know your budget, so we speculating. If you are not the salon type, gel X your nails at home. If you are not a gel X type and you like shorties with the freestyle sets like I wear, find you a nail tech that's Soleil and get them done, baby. Everything is within your budget. You are not an eyelash girl. There's videos on here showing you how to do your own eyelashes. And I wear strips from time to time too. You will never be able to tell because I'm just a good. Each his own. Pedicures, if you don't want to be like me and pay for your pedi, you could do it at home. But again, I like to treat myself, so I'm going to pay for it because I'm worth it. Number three, I save money because I'm a wig influencer. So what does that mean? I buy wigs, I review wigs, and then people pay me to review their wigs. So either way, I'm saving money and my hair is still maintenance. But I wash, deep condition, grease, oil, and take care of my hair under the wigs. Let's not forget, you got to maintain your natural hair. So if you are not a wig girly and you a braid girly girl, go on invest in them braids once every 3-4 months. Invest in some crochet. If you don't want to braid, you can learn to crochet your hair, and it's easier, it's simpler and better. You can also do you a little quick sew and weave if that's what you want to do. You don't want to do a sew and you can do you a quick weave if that's what you want to do. Remember, I'm showing you what I do and giving you tips and tricks for you to do. I do Amazon wigs, I do synthetic and human hair. So if you not really sure how a synthetic wig gonna look on you, how it's gonna DM me, I wanna review it, I'm gonna review it for you. There is so many ways you can slay stuff. And let's not get it twisted. My human hair Amazon wigs, some of these wigs I've had for years. I mean, I still got them. They last. It's all up to you. Number 4, you can either do your eyebrows at home. You can pay somebody to do it. I mean, it's $10. It's $10. Facials. I have a great skincare regimen that I do. I have a great body care regimen that I do. And they work for me. I can show you what I use, but the best thing for me to tell you is buy products that work for you. You can buy these products at Family Dollar, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS. You can buy them at your local 99-cent store. You can also find some items in TJ Maxx, Burlington. It just depends on you and who you are, what your quality deal with. But invest in a facial every 3 months. Treat yourself. You might like it. Massages. I don't do those, but I know some people who do. I would say you can invest in that on a monthly maintenance or every 3 months maintenance. It's up to you, your business, not mine. Um, Clothing. I buy my clothes randomly. Like I will spend $100 on some clothes, and then I'm like, you need to spend $100 on some sneakers for me. Like I'm random. Comes in and goes. Handbags. I will invest in a handbag. I will pay up to, well, it's a Coach bag I'm gonna get. It's $209. Well, I shouldn't say I'm paying for it. My husband gonna buy it. It's $209, and that's what I want. He said, "You want it?" I said, "Yeah." He said he gonna buy it. Quite as cat. Number 3, I save money. And I can maintain my own maintenance. I can buy my own handbags. And I can do all this stuff for myself. So don't think that because I have a partner that does it doesn't mean I can't do it